Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's YouTube video is going to be about making decisions in Python. So, every day you make decisions about what you do next based on the answers to questions you ask yourself. For example, is it raining? Or is there sunshine? Or have I done my homework? Something like that. Computers also make decisions by asking questions. For example, are you sure you want to do that? Questions that compare. The questions that computers ask themselves usually involve comparing one thing with another. For example, a computer might ask if one number is bigger than another. If it is, the computer might then decide to run a block of code that would otherwise be skipped. Yeah, and now I'm going to tell you what Boolean values are. Boolean values? That's a weird name. Well, the answers to the questions computers ask have only two possible values. It's either true or false. Python calls these two values Boolean values, and they must always start with a capital letter. That is very important. You can store a Boolean value in a variable. Now we're going to type in a code called answer underscore 1 is equal to false and answer underscore 2 is equal to true. You've probably never heard anything about logical operators. These symbols tell computers to make comparisons. Programmers call them logical operators. You may have used some of them in maths. The words and or can also be used as logical operators in computer codes. See? So, those are the symbols. Two equal signs mean equal to. An exclamation mark in front of the equal sign means not equal to. This is less than, and this is greater than. That's what the computer uses. Let's try an example using the shell. We can represent having 5 apples and 2 horses by using the variables apples and horses. Type these lines into the shell. Apples is equal to 5 and horses is equal to 2. Now let's get on to the fun part, making comparisons. Okay, now try typing the following lines of code to compare the values of the two variables. I'm going to type them in. Horses and then, that are less than apples. Now, we are going to hit the enter or return key to see if the statement is true or false. The statement is true because we have 2 horses and 5 apples, and we have more apples than horses. We can also use other examples. For example, apples is not equal to horses. We check if the statement is true or false. Obviously it's true because we have more apples than horses. You can use and or to combine more than one comparison. If you use and, both parts of the comparison must be correct for the statement to be true. If you use or, only one part needs to be correct. I wrote two examples here. The first one is apples is equal to 3 and horses is equal to 2. That is false because we have 5 apples and not 3. The second statement is our OR statement. Apples is equal to 3 or horses is equal to 2. That is true. The apples are 5, but we have 2 horses, so that's why it's correct. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.